Alright, I am prepping my potato salad. What I've done is boiled my potatoes, and then I rinsed them in cool water just to stop the cooking process. You can find all this recipe, just about everything I'm making today on my channel here. I've already got this potato salad recipe. No rhyme or reason to the way I cut my hot eggs. Ooh, they're hot. My nose is itching. I just cut them up. I like a lot of eggs in my potato salad. I make the best potato salad in this world. If you're looking for a potato salad recipe, you need to make this. And of course, I'm putting some chopped celery, some onions, some black pepper, and a little bit of pickle relish. What else am I putting in there? Mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, black pepper. Secret ingredient is Aunt Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt. Let me get a hand here. You don't have to worry about the eggs too much, how big or little, because they'll, as you stir, they'll get broke up. That's how you know you're watching a good chef. No rhyme or reason to anything that you add or the way you add it. And then we're going to add onion. I like a lot of onion and celery. You know what? I may have cut up too much onion. And some celery. This is the best potato salad. That's probably enough. Let me get some of this onion and celery up. Look at that. Kind of just make a mess when I cook. Get it over to the side. I am seriously struggling with allergies. My allergies are absolutely about to kill me. I like to put some fresh pepper in it. And this is the best thing to use, Aunt Jane's Crazy Mixed Up Salt. And I use a lot of this. I'm telling you, this stuff makes potato salad amazing. And potato salad is something you have to make the day before, trust me. And then we're gonna put some mayonnaise. That was the hardest thing for me to do when I started my cooking channel, was providing measurements for you guys, because I just throw the stuff in there. Start out with so much to see what you need. And then you just mix it together. A little bit of mustard. And some sweet relish. I don't like a whole lot of it, but just give it a toss. That's all you do. Oh, I broke my bowl. Look at that shit. My big fancy dollar store bowl. I love potato salad. I'll probably add a little bit more mayonnaise to it because I like it a little bit more creamier than that. Like I said, this has to sit. It's one of those things that have to sit overnight. I mean, for the flavors to actually penetrate through it. How you like that wording? Penetrate. You know what else I like to use? Where is it? I like to use a little bit of celery seed. Just a little tiny bit. Don't ask me why. I just do. And I'm just going to combine this. Transfer it to another bowl with a lid and pop it in my refrigerator.